Well, guys, the wind continues, and this happened about 30 minutes ago. The pool, which used to be here, got flipped over, and now it's here. And the wind did a really nice job because the frame is broken completely, and that's it. So I guess that's it for that pool. Fun fact, this filter unit is about 200 plus pounds, and this used to be right there. So yeah, and the wind continues. It's still almost 100 mile per hour gusts, only 400 feet up, and we're still getting 50-60 mile per hour gusts down here. So that's it. So I thought I'd give this little update.